In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to know if your iPhone is refurbished. You can simply see whether your iPhone is a used device in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. Select the option of General. On this page, tap on the About option. Then scroll down into the section of Parts and Services History. You will be able to see information on the status and repair details of your iPhone. As you can see right here, I changed my iPhone battery. It indicated that my phone battery was changed. If any part of your iPhone was changed or repaired, it will show up in this section. We make such videos to help you be aware of people who sell used iPhones as new devices. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.